Hi, very good morning. I'm Rocky Sagu. You're watching Pep Talk India's YouTube channel. You must be wondering what the hell am I doing on the horse? Actually, we always come early in the office and I saw this guy passing by. I saw the horse. Then I said, okay, how about horse riding? Then I also thought, how about shooting a video on the horse? Then a part of me said, this sympathetic voice, you're going to shoot a video on the horse? What people are gonna say? You know, fear of being different. Then, whenever I get nervous, whenever I feel this hesitation, I always ask myself this one question. Remember this one question. What would confident person do? What would confident Rocky do? Confident Rocky will take decisions. Confident Rocky will do all the things, whatever he wants to do. Confident Rocky will put himself in pressure situations all the time. Whenever you feel nervousness, always ask this question, what would confident you do? You know, confidence is the most important skill you need to hone. That's the most important skill. Whether you want to be a communicator or public speaker or entrepreneur or business person, whatever you want to do, you need confidence. And confidence comes by taking action. Trust me, every day will be a heyday. Don't worry about the society. Most of the people have this holier than thou attitude. Confidence comes by taking action, by achieving small things every day, by asking this question, what would confident you do? Pay the price today so that you could pay for anything in the future. Hallelujah.